How to transfer crypto from Binance to Metamask wallet. Before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. So let's start by opening up our Binance, and let's say you want to send Ethereum to your Metamask wallet. So what you need to do is to simply go for the withdraw option, and then you just need to search for Ethereum or any other crypto coin that you want to send. Then click on send via crypto network. Now open up your MetaMask at the same time. Make sure to sign in with the wallet in which you want to do this process. Then you need to simply make sure that your Ethereum main network is selected. If you want to send, let's say, Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency, you need to add that particular network, and then you need to add their custom tokens. You need to keep this point in mind, and it is a bit complex process, but for now simply select your Ethereum, and if you want to receive, you just need to click on the receive and copy your address. Then go back to your Binance and simply paste your particular address. Now once you do so, you just need to click on the networks and simply choose the network, which is going to be Ethereum ERC20 on the top. Now you need to make sure to enter a smaller amount like $5 to $10 worth of Ethereum, and once you receive it into your MetaMask, then you can proceed further and send a larger amount of crypto into your MetaMask wallet. So that's the safest and easiest way of how you can transfer crypto from Binance to MetaMask wallet.